Hi friends, hi Laila. Today I'm going to read one of Laila's favorite stories. It's called Knuffle Bunny by Mo Willems. Here's some pictures in the beginning showing part of Trixie's life. Not so long ago, before she could even speak words, Trixie went on an errand with her daddy. Trixie and her daddy went down the block through the park, past the school, and into a laundromat. Trixie helped her daddy put the laundry into the machine. Clearly, she's being very helpful. She even got to put the money in the machine. Uh-oh. Start to see her favorite little bunny in there. Oop, and there she is again. And then they left. But a block or so later, Trixie realized something. Uh-oh. Look, she's so upset. She realized her Knuffle Bunny was lost. Trixie turned to her daddy and said, "Aggle, flaggle, clabble." "That's right," replied her daddy. "We're going home." "Aggle, flaggle, clabble," said Trixie again. "Flaggle, plaggle, whumpy, flappy, snurp." Trying every which way to tell her daddy to go back and get that Knuffle Bunny. "Now, please, don't get fussy," said her daddy. Well, she had no choice. Trixie bawled. Wah! She went boneless, threw herself on the street. She did everything she could to show how unhappy she was. By the time they got home, her daddy was unhappy too. As soon as her mommy opened the door, she said, "Where's Knuffle Bunny?" Dun, dun, dun. Uh-oh, Dad. Look at Trixie's face. She's so frustrated and mad. The whole family ran down the block and they ran through the park and they ran past the school and into the laundromat. Trixie's daddy looked for Knuffle Bunny and looked, but Knuffle Bunny was nowhere to be found. Poor Trixie. Her favorite bunny, right? So Trixie's daddy decided to look harder until Knuffle Bunny! They found her. They found her in the dryer, in the washing machine, in the dryer there. And those were the first words that Trixie ever said. The end. In the end, you can see Knuffle Bunny tumbling around in the washing machine at the laundromat. And there she was the whole time. I'm sure you guys can relate to that book. I'm sure you have something that you love very much that sometimes needs washing. So this is our favorite book, and I hope you guys have a great day.